that's coming in at the moment. It's Vinesh Fogart who's back in the country, and she's broken down once she landed back in India. The visuals that you are seeing on your screens are from the Delhi airport. That's the place where Vinesh Fogart has just landed back at. She's returned home. On your screens, you are seeing Vinesh Fogart, Bajrang Punia, Sakshi Malik, the top wrestlers of the country, consoling Vinesh Fogart. After her plea was rejected by the CAS, that is the Court of Arbitration for Sports, after they dismissed her application, a heartbroken Vinesh Fogart is back in the country. Visuals that you're seeing on your screens are coming in from the Delhi airport. That's the place where Vinesh Fogart just a couple of minutes back landed. It was Vinesh Fogart who had made an appeal at the Court of the Arbitration for Sports, and it was the CAS that had dismissed her application just days after the verdict was pushed back. Vinesh Fogart had appealed that she should be given the silver medal. Visuals on your screens, you are seeing the top wrestlers of the country consoling Vinesh Fogart as she has stepped out of the airport. In tears, Vinesh Fogart, in fact the entire country could not believe when the application was being dismissed. Just to give you a little bit of the background of what exactly took place, it was mere 100 grams that actually stopped Vinesh from qualifying for the next round. The Indian wrestler had then gone ahead and appealed against a disqualification from the Paris Olympics 2024 final. The verdict was delayed 2 times, and then when the verdict finally came in, Vinesh Fogart's plea was dismissed. Dipender Hooda, you're seeing Dipender Hooda at the airport. He's trying to console Vinesh Fogart, who's in tears, and the top wrestlers trying to console her. In fact, Vinesh Fogart had started the Olympic campaign on a very high note. She defeated Japan's Yui Tsukasi in the opening round. Tsukasi, in fact, had the unbeaten record of 82-0, which made Fogart's victory one of the greatest upsets in Olympic wrestling history. So after that, all the eyes were on Vinesh Fogart, because the entire country and the wrestlers were feeling that Vinesh this time had the opportunity, had the capability of getting an Olympic gold. And winning an Olympic medal is actually the dream of every athlete. Unfortunately for Vinesh Fogart, this time it was a case of so close yet so far. Shazia Abbas is now joining me from the Delhi airport. That's the place where just a couple of minutes back Vinesh Fogart landed. Shazia, tears and heartbreak, that's what we can see in the visuals, and none other than Dipender Hooda at the airport receiving Vinesh Fogart, and we are seeing the top wrestlers trying to console Vinesh Fogart.
Ashmira, it was a very emotional welcome for Vinesh Fogart, because we saw how Sakshi Malik and Bajrang Punia, both of them were present at the airport, and the moment Vinesh came out, she hugged Sakshi Malik. She played a lot of wrestling tournaments along with Sakshi Malik, one of the Olympic medalists, and once she came out, it was Bajrang Punia who lifted her up. And you can see the amount of crowd here at the airport. There was a massive security here for Vinesh Fogart. You can see, I can ask my camera person to show you the present visuals of the T3 airport, where the procession is still on, and like a true champion, Vinesh Phogat has left the T3 airport and she's on her way to Charki Dadri, her hometown, where celebrations are in order. And you can see the tricolor flags are here, and the way everybody is welcoming Vinesh Phogat. It was very unfortunate when she was disqualified from the Paris Olympics because of weight issues. She fell short of 100 grams, and then she appealed to the Court of Arbitration for Sports, where her appeal was rejected on the 14th. And you can see, I'll again try to show you the visuals here. I'll take you towards the car where Vinesh is sitting, and the procession is still going on. If my camera person can show you the visual. See, Bajrang is also present. Sakshi is there, and Bajrang, Sakshi, and Mr. Huda, all of them are present to welcome Vinesh Phogat, and she was on top of the car. But the kind of, I'll try to talk to Vinesh's husband, Somveer. Somveer ji, बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है टुडे में. जिस तरह से ये स्वागत मिला है विनेश को, इसकी उम्मीद थी आपको?
बस ये देशवासियों का प्यार है भाई, बस क्या बताएं अभी, मतलब सभी बहुत अच्छा लगा ये, मतलब हमारे देश की जनता ने जो प्यार दिया विनेश को, बहुत मतलब खुश हैं हम इस चीज से.
काफी ज्यादा इमोशनल थी, आते साथ रोने लगी वो, और विनेश ने सबसे पहले साक्षी को गले लगाया, बजरंग ने उन्हें कंधे पर उठाया. उस फीलिंग को किस तरह से देखते हैं? बहुत ही इमोशनल पल था.
देखो, जब एक खिलाड़ी दूसरे खिलाड़ी से मिलेगा तो मतलब ये अगर कोई और होता तो मतलब सेम ही रिएक्शन आता, तो उनके साथी थे, उनसे मिले तो बहुत अच्छा लगा उसको, और मतलब जो मतलब उसके अंदर की भावना थी वो निकल गया एक बार.
अभी और कितने सेलिब्रेशंस होने हैं? चरखी दादरी में पहुंचेंगे तो शायद इससे बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन आपको देखने मिलेगा. देख लिए किस तरह से पूरा क्राउड जो है विनेश के स्वागत में है. और एक बार फिर हम यहाँ पर सोमवीर जी से बात करेंगे. सोमवीर जी, किस तरह का सेलिब्रेशन चरखी दादरी में हो की एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपको?
देखो, हमें तो कुछ नहीं पता, हम तो आज ही आए हैं मतलब इंडिया, तो मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. बस
उनके रिटायरमेंट के फैसले को बदलने की बात की आपने?
अभी मैं कुछ नहीं बोल पाऊंगा, बहुत मतलब टफ टाइम हमारे लिए अभी. देखो, फेडरेशन हमारे साथ नहीं है, तो अगर खिलाड़ी गेम करेगा, उसके साथ कोई है नहीं, तो वो क्या गेम करेगा?
आप विनेश के साथ वहां मौजूद नहीं है सेलिब्रेशन में, लेकिन इंडिया टुडे पे हम विनेश के हस्बैंड सोमवीर जी से बात कर रहे थे. काफी ज्यादा खुशी का माहौल है यहाँ पर. और आपको बता दें कि सोमवीर जो है पीछे हट चुके हैं. और जिस तरह से कल विनेश ने एक इमोशनल पोस्ट भी डाला था सोशल मीडिया पर, बताया था कि किस तरह से लगातार इमोशनल सपोर्ट उनके हस्बैंड करते आए हैं. और आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर माहौल जो है शानदार है, और यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल पल नजर आ रहे हैं, जहाँ पर बजरंग पुनिया, आई एम सॉरी, I'll translate it in English. We can see a lot of emotional moments here. That's what they are saying. She is a tigress, and the people are very happy to welcome her. The way that she has been welcomed is like a true champion. The whole of Charki Dadri, Balali village people are present here at the moment. With camera person Nasir, this is Shahbaz, T3 Airport.
Visuals that you are seeing on your screens are coming in from the Delhi airport, because that's the place where Vinesh Phogat, landed just a couple of minutes back. Just to tell you exactly what took place, it was Vinesh who was well within the permissible weight limit during the first day of the competition when the weigh-in happened. It was only after she won the 3 grilling bouts of wrestling that her weight increased marginally by 100 grams. Now this, according to many experts, is very common in sports. It was then that the IOA and Vinesh Phogat's coaches tried their best to convince the authorities. But when nothing worked, that's when Vinesh Phogat, along with her coaches and the IOA, that is the Indian Olympic Association, they decided to knock on the doors of the CAS, that is the Court for Arbitration for Sports. Shazia, we have seen how it was Dipinder Hooda trying to console Vinesh Phogat, Sakshi Malik trying to console Vinesh Phogat, but it seems like, no matter how much you console Vinesh, this really was her chance, and she knew it. In fact, everyone knew it, because the bang with which she started the Olympics on, that it was pretty clear that she was on top of her form, and no one was expecting that her second plea of the silver medal would be dismissed by the CAS.
Yes, it was indeed a golden opportunity for Vinesh, the way she began her Olympic journey. I'll say because the way she defeated Japan's Sasaki, one of the best world wrestler, reigning champion, and she had a winning streak of 82, and Vinesh Phogat broke her winning streak, and she was one of the strongest contender of the medal here. After she beat the Japanese wrestler, it was understood that this Olympic, Vinesh will win the medal. But it was unfortunate because a day prior to the finals, when the decision came that she was disqualified because of her weight, and it was mere 100 grams, because of which she was not allowed to compete at the Olympic final, after which she filed an appeal with the Court of Arbitration for Sports, wherein she filed two appeals. The first appeal was for her to let her compete, and the second appeal was for her to award a joint silver. And a few days back, the appeal was rejected. There was just one line reason given by the UWW, the World Body for Wrestling, where they have not they've not given any reasons for the rejection, and they've not even mentioned the delay in why the decision came after so long. Vinesh has the option of challenging that appeal, but that can only be done once she receives a full statement wherein all the reasons are written about why her appeal was being rejected. But the way the whole celebration is happening at the airport, it will take for a while for her to leave the airport and reach Charkhi Dadri Balali, where a bigger celebration is awaiting Vinesh Phogat.
Ajay, stay on with me. Let's listen into what Vinesh said the moment she landed in India.
देखो जी, मैं पूरे देशवासियों का धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ। हमारी लड़ाई में हमारा साथ दे रहे थे। जिंदगी एक संघर्ष है। लड़ाई हमारी नहीं हुई, हमारी लड़ाई बात हुई। पूरे देशवासियों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ।
That was Vinesh Phogat, who's landed in India just a couple of minutes ago, and winning an Olympic medal was her dream, has been the dream of every athlete. In fact, in her case, this time, it is just a case of so close yet so far. Vinesh Phogat, in fact, started her Olympic campaign this time on a very high note when she defeated Japan's Sasaki. Now, this took place in the opening round, and Sasaki had an unbeaten record of 82-2. Which made Phogat's victory one of the greatest upsets in the Olympic wrestling history. It was just 100 grams, mere 100 grams, that prevented Vinesh from winning an Olympic medal this time. In fact, the Indian wrestler then went ahead and appealed against a disqualification at the Paris Olympics 2024. Her second appeal was dismissed by the CAS, that is the Court of Arbitration for Sports. The decision on the wrestler's appeal for a shared silver medal was being dismissed. Vinesh, in fact, was disqualified after she weighed 100 grams more than the permissible limit during the weigh-in process. Now this after her historic gold medal bout was just about to take place against USA. In fact, Vinesh is the first Indian woman wrestler to enter an Olympic final, and actually everyone was hoping that she could get at least the silver medal. But if we go by the book, if we go by the rules, the UWW, which is the United World Wrestling, they state that if a wrestler fails to weigh in at the point during the competition, then she will be immediately disqualified and all her previous wins will be deemed null and void. Now, this is what the rule says, and according to the rule, the CAS took the decision and her plea was dismissed. Just to tell you what exactly happened, Vinesh was well within the permissible weight limit during the first day of the competition during the weigh-in. It was only after she won 3 grueling bouts of wrestling that her weight increased, which actually is common according to many experts in sports. It was after the disqualification came that the IOA, that is the Indian Olympic Association, along with Vinesh Phogat's coaches, they tried their best initially to convince the authorities. But when nothing worked, they decided to knock on the doors of the CAS. There were in fact 2 appeals which were being filed on behalf of Vinesh Phogat. One appeal was that she tried to explain in front of the court, in front of the CAS, in front of the jury, that it's a natural body process, recovery process, because of which she gained mere 100 grams. When that was dismissed, then she filed another appeal that she should at least get the shared silver medal because she had won the bout. But the second one was also dismissed by the CAS. The visuals that you are seeing now on your screens are coming in from the Delhi airport. The top wrestlers, people who have stood by Vinesh Phogat over the past many years, including Dipendra Hooda, are at the airport. All of them here to welcome her and also to wipe away the tears. Vinesh Phogat could not believe what had happened. In fact, she was so emotional, she took to X and posted that she is now taking retirement from the sport of wrestling. Her family, however, at the moment believes they'll be able to convince her. But so close yet so far, unfortunately, has been the case with Vinesh Phogat. This time the Wrestling Federation also thought that we had, if not gold, at least silver medal in our kitty. Unfortunately, when her plea was dismissed by the CAS, then no medal came in the kitty of Vinesh Phogat. As a result, India lost in wrestling. My colleague Shazia, who's at the airport, joining me once again on the story. Shazia, we are seeing very, very emotional Vinesh. One of the crucial things that everyone will be keeping an eye on henceforth will be whether Vinesh will be taking a sabbatical, a break maybe from wrestling, or will she just take retirement, because that's the big question on everyone's mind.
Yes, it is indeed the big question on everybody's mind, because right after whatever happened at the Olympic, she was very emotional, and she posted about her retirement on social media, wherein she had a message for her mother. And right before she landed here at the T3 airport, we exclusively spoke to her brother and Bajrang Punia on whether they will ask her to take back her retirement, and they did talk about it, and they said that they will make her sit and will have a conversation with her with regards to her retirement. And let me remind you that last night she had an emotional post wherein she hinted about there might be a possibility that we might see her back on the wrestling mat, but it was just a subtle hint. There's nothing sure about it, but we'll have to see whether she will come back to wrestling or not. But as of now, right after the Olympics, she through a social media post announced her retirement.
Right. Shazia, if you can tell us, has the entire cavalcade moved out of the Delhi airport? Because there were a lot of people, out there right outside the airport to welcome Vinesh, and we did see supporters with dhol and, people from the wrestling world also out there to receive her. And now, from what we can see, the open jeep, that's where Dipendra Hooda, Vinesh Phogat, Bajrang Punia, Sakshi Malik, all of them are sitting on top of this open jeep, and now they've started moving towards Vinesh's house.
Yes, the cavalcade has started moving, but it will move at a very slow pace because of the kind of welcome she's got. A lot of people are still there with the cavalcade, and they are moving along with the cavalcade. It will take time for Vinesh to reach her hometown, Ballali, where everything, the whole celebration is in place. They're waiting for the champion Vinesh Phogat to come back to their hometown. But let me ask my camera person to pan towards And I'll tell you, the procession is still there. They've gone far, but people are still here. People from her village were here. The Sarpanch, I reckon, was here to welcome Vinesh Phogat.
Right, Shazia, please stay on with me. Let's once again listen to what Vinesh Phogat said just moments after she landed in the country.
देखो जी, मैं पूरे देशवासियों का बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ। हमारी इस लड़ाई में हमारा साथ दे रहे थे। जिंदगी एक कदर है, लड़ाई हमारी नहीं हुई, हमारी लड़ाई बाकी है। पूरे देशवासियों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ।
About her case, Vinesh was represented by high-profile senior advocate Harish Salve and Vidushpat Singhania, someone who's an expert when we speak about cases related to sports. In fact, the IOA President P.T. Usha also expressed her shock and utter disappointment at the decision that was taken by the sole arbitrator at the CAS to dismiss Vinesh Phogat's application against the United World Wrestling and the International Olympic Committee. Visuals that you are seeing on your screens, viewers, are coming in from the Delhi airport. Vinesh Phogat landed at the Delhi airport half an hour ago. She was welcomed with open arms by her fellow wrestlers, Sakshi Malik, Bajrang Punia, even Dipinder Hooda is along with the wrestlers, and all of them have now started moving towards Haryana. She'll be reaching home. And we will see in the next couple of days a final decision that will be taken by Vinesh Phogat, because she's been very, very emotional over the past many days. Her entire family in utter shock with regards to what took place in Paris, because everyone was hoping that we will get a silver medal at least. And Vinesh was actually in her top form. She defeated Japanese wrestler who was undefeated. So this clearly spoke about the fact that this time Vinesh was all set. She was fit. It was mere 100 grams that actually stopped her from getting the medal. She tried really hard. In fact, the entire team did. Not one, but two appeals were filed with the CAS. My colleague Shazia is right outside the airport. Shazia, you know, heartbreaking visuals are coming to the fore, and we all can actually understand the stress, the emotional turmoil Vinesh must have gone through over the past few days, because we here in India, everyone was praying that she should be getting the medal. Mere 100 grams, is actually what stopped her from getting the medal.
It was a very emotional moment, as I told you before as well. The moment she came out of the airport, Bajrang Punia, Sakshi Malik, both of them were here to welcome her, and we've seen how both of them have always been with Vinesh right from the start of her wrestling career. They've been to many tournaments together, and when Vinesh came out, she was very emotional. She was in tears, and that's when Sakshi hugged her, and that's when Bajrang also tried to console her, and he lifted her and placed her on his shoulders like a true champion. And we saw how emotional was it. Also, Vinesh, she does understand that this was a golden opportunity for her to win the medal, and that's how she's also spoken through her social media as well, how she was able to defeat one of the best wrestlers of the tournament, the Olympic champion Sasaki. And let me also talk about her coach, the Hungarian coach Volker Akos. And in one of the social media posts, he recalled the whole incident of how they were frantically trying to control her weight, and how they tried to make her weight come down to that stipulated weight category, but they failed. And at one point of time, the coach was in fear that she might die. He had spoken about everything in a social media post, which later he took down the post, but that's how it was. The situation was very tough when a day ahead of the finals, and she was 2.5 kg above the weight category, and how she tried to work it out, but 100 grams was the weight that she failed. She wasn't able to reduce, and because of that weight she was disqualified from the Olympics final and from the Olympics.
Right. Shazia, if you can tell us how far the cavalcade has moved, because we are seeing all of them sitting atop, the cavalcade moving very slowly, and, the kind of love that Vinesh is now getting, the kind of support pretty visible, from the number of people who reached the airport right on time, people from our village, supporters, all of them were right outside the gate waiting for her to come down, and we are expecting that there will be some kind of celebration that will definitely take place once she gets back home.
Oh, definitely there will be a big celebration when she reaches her native home, Balali. But here as well, there was a big celebration when she landed here. Doles and nagaras were being played here. She was welcomed with a garland welcome and emotional welcome, I would say.
Right. My colleague Shazia is at the airport. Vinesh Phogat has landed just a couple of minutes ago. This is the Delhi airport that we are showing you. The top wrestlers of the country all set to welcome Vinesh Phogat. They all hugged her, consoled her, wiped away her tears. Vinesh Phogat spoke about the fact that she believed she could win the medal, but now she'll start looking forward. What will be her way forward? That's the big question on everyone's mind. Whether she'll take a sabbatical for some time, whether she'll be back on the mat very soon, those are the questions lingering on everyone's mind at the moment. Now, wrestler Vinesh Phogat, in an emotional letter, remembered her childhood struggles and thanked all those who had played a role in her Olympic journey. Vinesh emphasized we did not give up while describing the efforts made by the team to make her body touch the 50-kilogram mark at the time just before the weigh-in. In her own words, she said the time was not fair. Take a look at this report.
The heartbreak of champion wrestler Vinesh Phogat. Shared by all Indians, will take a long time to heal. The Paris hero, who all agree was poised for a gold and deserved her silver, returns to India today. Her return after the painful disappointment that was Paris, underscored by an emotional 3-page letter to her fellow countrywomen and men. First, the most telling part of her letter. There is so much more to say and so much more to tell, but words will never be enough. And maybe I will speak again when the time feels right. On the night of 6th August, and the morning of the 7th August, all I want to say is that we did not give up. Our efforts did not stop, and we did not surrender. But the clock stopped, and the time was not fair. So was my fate. To my team, my fellow Indians, and my family, it feels like the goal that we were working towards and what we had planned to achieve is unfinished. That something might always remain missing, and that things might never be the same again. Maybe under different circumstances, I could see myself playing till 2032, because the fight in me and the wrestling in me will always be there. I can't predict what the future holds for me and what awaits me in this journey next, but I'm sure that I will continue to fight always for what I believe in and for the right thing. While Vinesh appears to be sticking to her guns on retirement, she has left a small door open over her next steps. Either a change of mind on leaving wrestling, but likely to stir speculation over a possible political leap. Vinesh also invokes the wrestlers' protest that became a running theme of Olympics doggedness and fight back in the Olympics. A powerful, tender moment from the heart of a warrior sportsperson. During the wrestlers' protest, I was fighting hard to protect the sanctity of women in India, the sanctity and values of our Indian flag. But when I look at the pictures of me with the Indian flag from 28th May 2023, it haunts me. It was my wish to have the Indian flag fly high this Olympics, to have a picture of the Indian flag with me that truly represents its value and restores its sanctity. I felt that by doing this, it will correctly reprimand what the flag went through and what wrestling went through. I really was hoping to show that to my fellow Indians. Much of the rest of the letter is a heartfelt, painful elegy to a dream broken in Paris. As a small girl from a small village, I did not know what was the Olympics or what these rings meant. My father, an ordinary bus driver, would tell me that one day he would see his daughter fly high in a plane while he would drive on the road below. That only I would turn my father's dreams into a reality. My mother, who could have a whole story written on the hardships of her life, only dreamt that her children would one day will live a life better than she did. But the day my father left us, all I was left with were his thoughts and words about flying in that plane. I was confused about its meaning then, but held that dream close to me anyway. But survival taught me a lot. Seeing my mother's hardships, never give up attitude and fighting spirit is what makes me the way I am. She taught me to fight for what is rightfully mine. When I think about courage, I think about her. And it is this courage that helps me fight every fight without thinking about the outcome. Crushed but galvanized, disappointed but with the determination to prevail. May we see the return of Vinesh. Bureau Report, India Today.